Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change screen lock on the Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Let's begin. So, as you can see, whenever I will lock the screen and I will unlock it, we can see that we have currently a pattern and we must input the pattern in order to unlock our tablet. But let's say I want to change the pattern to, for example, pin. And luckily for you, this is very easy to do. We can head into the settings, and now you want to scroll down and go into face data and screen unlock. Now let's simply head into screen lock, but before we do any changes we first must input our screen unlock once again. And now we can do a couple of things. For example, we have the ability to make the pattern invisible if you want to, but in order to change the screen lock we can simply switch to the pin. Now we have a little warning that it's very wise to actually remember your password, because otherwise you would have to perform a factory reset if you have forgotten your password, which means that you would have to, well, remove everything from the device. That's not really good. Let's go into Got It, and now we can input our new pin. I will go very simple and basic 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, okay. And as you can see, that's it. Yeah. If we would lock the screen and then unlock it, we can see that we no longer have the pattern, but instead we have a very simple pin. Also, if you want to remove your lock screen completely, you can always do that by heading into face data and screen lock once again, going into screen lock settings, inputting your current screen lock, and here we have the turn off screen lock option, though I would say this is not usually recommended because then you have basically no security on your device, which is not very good. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.